I didn't explode. Say that again. I had it cut and I didn't explode it. Let's get it.
What's up? What it do, guys? Finally got to the video. I've been neglecting this video for almost 2 months now. But let's get into it. Start off with the frame. I guess you call it like a temporary frame. End up cutting it off. But what you do, you really got to weld those legs together. Because I have done it, and as soon as I put the chamber up there, all 4 of the legs broke off because they was just tacked. So, yeah, weld something, put them together, just a little piece of something. But yeah, I had already cut this hole. I measured this to fit the smoker. You know, before I even cut it, I wanted it to go on this end. But I basically filled it up with water before I even made a cut on it. And once I filled it up, I made that cut it all the way off. And if it's gonna fit the smoker, perfect. But yeah, use my little quick square. And my magnet, I use the 90-degree magnets on everything. Got to. But look, I want to talk, let me holler at y'all about content creating. When I tell you, man, it's a whole job just being a content creator. Especially if you posting on more than one site. And I guess that's why I just TikTok and YouTube mainly. Like, I ain't just posting on Facebook and Instagram. I need to, but it's just, it take up too much time. Trying to respond back to everybody is just, I just stick to the two, TikTok and YouTube. I love me some YouTube. Try to answer everybody back on the comments. But sometimes I just be so busy, man, and trying to edit a video and nobody tell you about that. That's why a lot of people, they have editors and they pay people to edit their videos and do all this. It's cool, but I ain't got it. I ain't even gonna lie to you. I ain't got it to pay nobody to edit my videos. Look, I learned how to edit videos and I got better over time. And man, that's what I tell anybody. Like, just try it out. If you ain't never edited a video or whatever you did, just record it. Record everything. I tell everybody that. Record everything from start to finish. Record everything. And the editing is pretty much easy. Like, once you edit your first video, you will get it to your liking, and it's on from there. Like, you can edit up all your videos. It's my favorite part right here. Boop. Dropped them. Yeah, man, but I love being a content creator, though. But I love making grills even more, though. It's like, man, I make grills for free. I don't even do it for the money. So I just love doing it. Keeping me, man, making grills saved my life. Welding saved my life, period. Promise you that. My little plasma torch right here. Man, that little plasma get busy. Stop playing with it. It was cut all the way around. But it's like that drawback when it weld back together. But it was cut all the way around. I don't know why it wouldn't come off first hit. And beat it a little bit. We put this on that side. So this right here, this side, since it's flat, we gonna use this as the open and close part where your sliding coal basket will come out. And that paint that's on those propane tanks, oh my God, it's like they paint them like 6 times the same color. Man, look, I took like 3 or 4 days just grinding this thing. Like, man, yeah, them propane tanks. But the good thing about it, the outside is crazy to clean, but the inside is perfect. I'm talking about it don't need nothing. You don't even gotta use no water or nothing. When you open the inside of a propane tank, it's brand new every time. See, some of them hot water tanks, you open them up, they rusted on the inside, or it's some kind of film you had to grind off. It's all kind of stuff with them hot water tanks. This is my little pop string right here. I just measure how far I go back. Once I measure that, then I set it up. So on this one, I went back 1.5 inches. And right here, it's the drop. So I just measure it from the legs to where I want the door to open. Make sure that's even. Everybody be asking me about that pop string, man. I love that pop string, boy. Yeah, but check out the inside. Stop playing. Propane tank so clean you can eat off of it. Look, that's that little drawback dust. But check it. Man, that propane tank clean. Put the little lips on. I already had a curve for them. I got that curve because this is a part of another tank, so curve right into it. Boom. I had to put a door stop because it's a little thicker, so this door is kind of heavy. We put that the weight on it. It's the front lip right here. But yeah, that counterweight on the door is perfect for the heavy doors. So like this one, it made this door feel like a barrel door. It's easy to open and it's easier to close by having that on there. I put 2 springs on them. Extra long handle. I think that handle was like 19, 18. It'd have been like 19 inches. So I think those, they like 8 inches, the springs. Set up the arms. It's like once I get the arms up in the grill, it's all down here from here. The hard part is out the way. Making sure they even Steven. I don't know what I was doing. Check it. You really don't have to grind the inside out if you're trying to weld, because it's bare metal. It ain't rusted out. It's been preserved. But to get a good connection, you can, if you feel, your welds ain't good enough. Yeah, that bar in the front always give you trouble. You think it's leaning, making sure it's straight from side to side too. And we're gonna add the splitter, so this will be the other side basically. making sure it's even lined up with the other one. I got a new welding hat. Oh my God, look at that hole. I think I caught on fire right there. My welding hat caught on fire. I almost burned my hair. It didn't go all the way through. Man, hey, look. If ain't nobody got no stories, I got some welding stories, bro. I'm talking about check it. When it comes to burning yourself or setting yourself on fire, man, I remember one time I was working on container, and dog, I had the boots, the boots with no shoestring. So I had my pants leg inside my boots, and I was welding up top. So I'm standing up, looking. It was like overhead point, and I'm going in. Man, a fat spark jumped down my pants, went straight down my boot. Bruh, you talking about, man, I kicked the boot off. By this time, it didn't burn my sock. I got a foot, almost a small hole on the bottom of my foot. Man, look, I done had some real trouble when it comes to fires. And that's why I keep that extinguisher back there. Look, I got an extinguisher right behind me where I'm working at. And look, I keep it ready. Man, but you live and you learn, though. I know now. But we lit. I don't play that pants in your boots. No, sir. Pants out your boots. Look, tell you, them sparks don't love nobody. You hear me? Man, look. And them sparks, they get in the crazy places that you'll never think of. You be like, how the hell I get burned right there? Man, look. Yes, sir. The rack's done. Put that 10-inch table on there. I do the 10-inch table just for the fact that 10-inch can hold like most pans and little skillets, whatever you want to hold right there. Boom. We lit. Get my smoker right. Put them hinges on. Make my first cut. Straight through. All the smoke rise. All smoke rise. Offset smoker. We going in with the lips first. Put the lips on. Stop the door. This the cold basket. I thought I showed it. But yeah, nah, this it right here. This is just an easy access door. Just slide out that cold basket. Show you how I build it. So I just weld a small piece of metal, like an inch inside the chamber. And that'll be like, that's your platform for the stoppers. And you'll put that right there on top of them. Stop them right there, perfect. So that way it'll give you just enough room on each side. You can slide it out, no problem. Once they catch, once it pulled out, and you'll build your from the inside, so you won't actually touch the stoppers. Slide it out, and you good to go. You take it all the way out. I got a handle on the other side. You can dump your coal. End up putting that vent on the other smoker. Nice little coal basket inside there too. It's my counterweight for the door, easy access. I think I took the top rack out. I don't know what I did with it. But yeah, we can wrap him up. Head to the paint shop. Had to wrap those wheels up. That was my first time using those wheels. What y'all think about those wheels?